Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Apple could enter into the metaverse, and the big announcement is coming soon. But let's talk about the details. Then we have the Senate passes the bill to raise the debt ceiling, so we are just really one step away from the finality, as Joe Biden going to sign it probably today evening. And the third news is all about that Tether surpasses previous market cap record. What could that mean? So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making for you a couple of fresh videos, short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe bell button all, and then I'm going to keep you up to date because you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's start today's episode. Well, and when we're looking at the market, we can see that today it's greenish. Well, Bitcoin is up almost 1%, Ethereum 1.5%. That makes Bitcoin 27,100, Ethereum 1,892 US dollar at the moment. When we're looking at the top gainers, Injective up 11%, Lido down about 10%, Arbitrum about 7.5%. Then we see the losers, XDC going down 5%, Gate token down 3%, Monero 1.3%, not too big drops. And when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that today we're forming here a green candle. We went all the way up here to this resistance level at 27,100-ish. And yes, it stopped us so far, around the middle of the day. And we're going to see how this continue, or it wasn't a strong trial. We're going to see it anyway. Okay. Yeah, let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that Apple is about to enter into metaverse. Apple is massive, and if Apple does something, this can have an impact on the whole industry. And now we can see that Apple is about to entering into the metaverse. You do know that there was a huge hype about metaverse project when Facebook actually changed its name from Facebook to Meta, and all the metaverse projects they started to then skyrocketed. But this was in a different season. We are right now in a bearish period. This is one thing, and the second thing is the hype. It died a little bit around metaverses. When you're looking at Decentraland and all these kind of places, they're like kind of empty. Anyway, now it looks like that Apple is coming out with something, and the release date is on 5th of June. There were a lot of rumors, then there are a lot of VR experts invited to this event, and it looks like they're coming out with a pricey headset that bridges the gap between virtual environments and digital and hence real world use. And this could be really just now a matter of days. 5th of June will be the announcement, and the latest reports suggest that Apple will begin with a high-end mixed reality headset that offers both actually virtual reality, VR, and also AR functionality, and with plans to release other AR specific hardware further in the future. So probably this is the direction they're going. They're saying that the headset could be around $3,000. That's kind of pricey, but yeah, we're going to see how this will play out for Apple, what they bringing into the game, because many case, Apple with the iPhone, good old days, has always a kind of different approach, and I'm quite curious. I who actually also using Apple products, iPhone, the MacBook, so all these kind of things. I think it's quite user-friendly, and I would be curious how their headset is functioning and what it brings into this, metaverse experience. And maybe this can actually boost up some metaverse projects in the crypto even if it has nothing to do with Apple, just simply because it's a metaverse project. Just think about what ChatGPT did with AI project, crypto-related AI projects. Will this bring something, or we are not in the right time now? Well, we're going to see it in a couple of days. 5th of June. This is the day when they're going to do the big announcement. Okay, now second news is all about that Senate also passes bill to raise debt ceiling. Sometimes it feels like a never-ending story, but we're very, very close to it right now. I don't think that anything can happen to this now after all these kind of positivity around it. So basically, we had, the House, which approved it, they voted. And now yesterday evening, the Senate also passed this bill, raised the debt ceiling and the cap government spending for 2 years. So probably done for 2 years now. Final step, Joe Biden has to really sign it, and it's probably going to happen at 7 p.m. Eastern time today on Friday. If that's done, then actually green light is on, money printer could be on, and then we're going to see the reaction from the market. Okay, and the third news is all about Tether, because Tether surpasses previous market cap record. Tether's USDT's market cap is now higher than ever. And this is quite important in the way that what could that mean? Just let's talk a little bit about it. So here you can see that the previous top was here in May 2022, and then it went all the way down here to 65 billion US dollar. Now we are at 83.23 billion US dollar, and this is now the record. And there are a lot of things happening on the stablecoin market. First of all, there were this problem with the USDC, when it lost its peg. Then people were selling some USDC. Then we had BUSD, as Paxa stopped issuing it because the SEC said so. Therefore, a lot of people left that. So even when it comes to stable coins, a lot of could go to Tether. But the other thing, what it could mean that always when, stable coin market cap is getting pretty high and new record highs, could mean that people, starting to find their place, how to enter into the crypto market, how to enter in different kind of projects, and they would like to put money into crypto and wait. And then when they're ready and, things start really happening, then they just simply buy the project they keep an eye on. So this could also mean that, which could be a positive sign. There's a lot of questions still about Tether, but even now, the latest news comes that after Tether launched a sustainable Bitcoin mining operation after the company declared in mid-May that 15% of the company profits would be invested in Bitcoin. Well, we do know what happened to UST, Terra, totally different kind of thing. But, when they started to say that, okay, they back up everything with Bitcoin and they're buying a lot of Bitcoin, turned out pretty bad. Hopefully, this is going to be a different story. No other similarities, of course. That's an algorithmic stablecoin. This is not an algorithmic, but still questions around Tether, right? But we got used to it, kind of. But it's not good. It's not good for sure. Okay, well, that's it for today. When we're looking at this bigger video, the longer one, short videos still coming also on the weekends. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in crypto, in blockchain world, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, as every single day I'm making you a couple of videos to keep you up to date, because I think it's very important stay up to date in this market, because big changes are coming. We do not know the exact date, of course, when the whole market is going to change, but we have a bearish market behind us since November 2021, and usually sooner or later, and we are in this now for a year and a half, things start to change. Halving is less than a year, in 2024. It's going to happen after probably things looking more promising. So anyway, it's good to keep an eye on it, and therefore I'm making these videos. Doesn't matter, it's a bear market, it's a bull market. keep you up to date. It's very important. That's my mission. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.